Beep, 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 beep.
Hey, what you were crying for yesterday?
Rickey, I know my truck and turn my mother truck and turn on and turn.
Something happened to your monster truck?
Yeah.
Is that why you was crying?
Yeah, it's my mother truck and turn.
Who did something to your monster truck?
Nobody.
Well, what you was crying for?
It's turn in my truck. And I go to work.
What about your truck?
It's in the two. It's in the two and in ten. Huh? And like 10.
We laying on the floor.
10. You can try it in right here. See?
What?
Yeah, right here.
Hey, can you bring my truck over here? No! What was that? I farted. Oh, what was I tell you what? Get up there. Get that truck, let's go. Hey, get out of the truck. Why you want me to get out of the truck? Because I got pardon me there, buddy. Shut your mouth. Get the truck. Hey, you don't you run over my darn truck. I work hard for. Hey, stop it. Goddamn truck. Hey, look here. Hey, El DeBarge. El DeBarge, get away from my truck. Bag it in there. All right. Bag the other one in there. Bag it in there. Bag it in there. Don't go get the Dodge Charger because you people